Technique 27. Thyroid to parathyroid. We slide with our fingers in between the spaces of the toes to stabilize the foot. With our thumb, we slide the thyroid curve from the space next to the big toe around to its head of metatarsal and back. Technique 28. Flat knuckle inside border slide. One hand holds the foot that way. We can slide with the flat knuckles the inner border under the bone downwards. The thumb stabilizes at the sole. Technique 29. Half moon under ankle. Flat knuckles perform a half moon shape under the inner ankle joint. Thumb supports at heel. Technique 30. Tiger jaw inside. Our index finger joint strokes down from upper posterior ankle space towards the inside heel, which is the sector of the uterus or prostata, respectively. Technique 31. Tendon hook. Index and middle finger joints stroke along the Achilles tendon towards heel. Technique 32. Flat knuckle outside border slide. One hand holds the foot that way. We can slide with the flat knuckles the outer border under the bone downwards. The thumb stabilizes at the sole. Technique 33. Half moon under ankle, at the space under the outside ankle. Technique 34. Tiger jaw outside. Our index finger joint strokes down from the upper posterior ankle space towards the outside heel. Technique 35. Sharp knuckle circles on dorsal. With the sharp knuckles of our hand, we perform gentle circles on the entire dorsal. The other hand holds the foot, bending the toes slightly downwards. Technique 36. Sharp knuckles cross lines. 3 horizontal lines on the dorsal towards outside. Technique 37. Flat knuckles on 3 lines. 3 vertical lines on the dorsal towards toes with the flat knuckles. Technique 38. Index finger knuckle to toenail. We work with the last sharp joint of our index finger, stroking from the last toe joint towards toenail. First of all, the big toe, which we support with the thumb of our working hand, following the other toes, also with hand support, and back to the big toe. Technique 39. Fingertip dorsal slide. All fingertips slide on the dorsal towards the toes. The thumbs accompany at the sole. Technique 40. Fingertip dorsal press. Gentle press on the first and the fourth interosseous spaces. Technique 41. Knuckles slide on sides, index finger on dorsal. Both index fingers slide on the dorsal towards toes. At the same time, the knuckles are stroking both sides. Technique 42. Knuckle circles. Both hands perform with the knuckles circles on both sides of the foot at the same time. Loosely movements coming from the wrist. Technique 43. Thumbs up to the lymphatic point. Both thumbs slide up on the dorsal to the middle of the crease. Press the little groove and circle halfway around the ankle joints. Technique 44. Alternating flat knuckle slides, on both sides forward and backward. Technique 45. Thumb around inner ankle joint. We work with crossed hands. One hand holds the inner foot facing up. The other hand's thumb starts above and behind the inner ankle joint, stroking down and circle 5 times around the inner ankle joint. Technique 46. Thumb around outer ankle joint. We perform with crossed hands the same technique on the outer ankle joint. Technique 47. Thumbs up on 3 lines. Gentle slides with our thumb on the dorsal upwards. Start at median side and work towards lateral. Technique 48. Lymphatic point snap. Both thumbs press at the lymphatic point and snap at once to the side. Thumbs position in alternation. Technique 49. Cross slide. In alternately thumb positions, cross slide on foot crease. Technique 50. Dorsal slaps. Alternately gentle slaps on the dorsal with our palms.